What up, everybody? I'm just setting something up. Trying to change something. Oh, man. What up, Austin? What up, Nighthawk? Oh, I gotta get the fucking camera up. What up, XRP? Some ups, some downs. Dude, I accidentally, this is just stupid. I'm gonna show you the stupidest mistake ever. I left an order in gold and I didn't realize I was in it and left the computer to go downstairs. And I gave back the fucking majority of my gains. It was right here. So stupid. So stupid. So then I started making some of it back. I don't know. It was just ridiculous. Shouldn't have happened. It's just so avoidable is the problem. Like it's so avoidable. Like there's no reason why that needs to happen. You know? Just doesn't need to happen. So, I could stop it in 2 seconds. Um, yeah, it is what it is. I'm heading back home tonight though, so I'll be back in my normal setup tomorrow. I can't wait. Boom. I can't wait to get home. So let's get back into. Man, I still think we're going.
Order filled.
I don't know if you were on the stream earlier, you knew I loved the short. I loved the short when we were up here, man. It was crazy. I still feel like they dip it down again. I'm not looking for much. If I can get like 10 points, something like this. Yo, what up, Double O? Oh, I didn't look at any of my fucking emails. Fuck me. Come on, dude. This is the push. Oh, are you kidding? I'm just fucking.
Order filled.
Let me see if I can just look real fast. What? Bro, we need to have a fucking. Dude, this is getting so fucking confusing. So confusing. Um, Dude, I don't even know what to say out of this. Kyle, I sent you back. Cool. Dude. Yo, I gotta make a thing when we run these races. I gotta come out with I gotta come up with a freaking. We need to come up with better rules. All right, I emailed everybody back. You're all emailed back. Uh, my bad. What up, Clint? I was just going through my emails, freaking trying to get everybody back, but I have a feeling this is gonna break to the upside, even though it looks really fucking bad right now. It looks so bad. I just have this weird feeling that it's just all of a sudden just gonna break back to the up. I'm gonna look at the NQ right now. See, it's holding this. I would say, well, it just so happens that the fair value gap bottom is at 25,000. But as long as we close above this fair value gap, I would say it's bullish. But it looks like it's gonna test it right here. Yo, what did Clinton say? Yo, what up, Clint? Helpful. Wasn't FOMC minutes, not the meeting. Just minutes. Nothing to write home about.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if it holds it. Holy shit, it's hot. I'm longing. I predicted this morning's move on NQ, but couldn't. Dude, I got shaken out so many times for the down, not the upside. I I like the downside, and that whole time I got shaken out a couple times. One time I got right up here. I got freaking shaken out at. Man, this looks so bad. This looks like it's gonna dump. As long as it holds that FVG, IFVG, I'm just gonna play it. Close over 21 really gets me excited. Gold's going for it. Come on. Come on. Get us up. Sometimes you just got to say fuck it, you know? Dude, some guy just. Man. Come on, baby. I'd like to get out of a little piece right here. What up, Eric? Yo, Eric, are you trading? Are you in anything right now? What you in? Yo, what up, Keith? How's your day going, man? I I'm having a pretty good day. I'm also up in 4 of my Legends accounts. I got that 50 I needed. I'm up $205 in 4 different accounts. Late stream like what? Like 4 p.m.? Like a 6 p.m. stream tonight? Or do you mean now? I always stream now. I'm always on at this time. No, I streamed this morning, Jay. I was on this morning from about 9 o'clock till about noon. And then I was, yo, so if you don't get the notification, there's a bell button right below me. You got to hit that bell button to get notified. Otherwise, YouTube doesn't notify you. That's a big thing. Yeah. I don't know why they do that. Dude, this fucking guy. God. Nah, I'm on every morning, man. every morning I'm on, no matter what, 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to noon. And I come back on at like 2 to 4:30, and then every once in a while, I always post it in the Discord too. Attack on assets. Yo, what up, HTN? Hey, quick question about Lucid Flex, the net positive rule. Oh man, what Lucid Flex? I'll look. Hold on, I'm just watching my fucking position. I'm out. Lucid Flex. I actually don't even know what you're talking about. Lucid Flex. Is that what they call it? Net. Oh, I think you need to be. All right, so I think I know what you're talking about. I think I just got wicked out at the very bottom too. So say you take a payout and you're down to, say it's your account's down to 53,000. You can't take a payout unless you're above 53,000. Your account has to be net positive. I think that's what they mean. What they're stopping is like you taking a payout. Say you get your account to 58,000. You take a payout, your account's at 54,000, and then you literally lose money for 2 days or for X amount of days, and then you could take another payout. You need to be positive. I think that's what you're talking about. So you need, that's exactly what they're talking about. I think I just got wicked out at the bottom.
Order filled. Order filled.
Dude, I literally got fucking hit at the bottom.
Order filled. Order filled.
What the absolute fuck was that? Dude, look at this shit. Let's see what happens. Can you get fucking more the bottom than this? How does that happen? How? 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 So yeah, you're gonna have, well, you need 5 days of $150 or more. So after you get that money, you withdraw, and then whatever that number is at that time, you have to be up. Super impressive. XRP, if it's so crazy how that happens, or I miss it by one tick.
Order filled. Order filled.
Or I miss it by one tick. That is fucking crazy.
Order filled.
Bro, these guys are still texting me. Dude, I get in these fucking text messages, man. I don't even know how I get in them. I wonder if gold just dies out here at the end of the day. Dude, one fucking bad gold trade. Unreal. I'm going to try something. We're going to try something. Over 26, I'm going to try something. See, I got some red. I got 2 red accounts. One of them just follows a system. And then this is... Did you miss the drop? Dude, I got some of it. Not really a lot. Dude, I've been talking about it the whole time we were on the stream earlier. I was talking about it, and it just freaking never happened. And then all of a sudden it did. Matt, I think I broke a rule with Apex today. My open order went negative more. You don't blow the account, but you're going to have to earn. All right, see how my accounts are? I'm going to show you. See how my accounts are all over the buffer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got to get these to $54,100, and then I can take out $2,000. That's because I broke the MAE rule on them. Dude, it's never too distracting. You can ask any question you want on the stream, HTN. I'm going to trade that account. How did I get into trading? Dude, I came out of college in 2005. I was going to my master's, and I had a really good job when I was going to college in this summer. I was getting paid mandated wage in New York City to install Cat 5 cable throughout the city schools. So I was getting paid $49 an hour right away, and then I was getting paid $83 after 3 months. And then you got time and a half for overtime. And over the summers, I was stacking up a lot of money. I was working like 16-hour days. And then because I got a sports scholarship at school, I did not use all the money that was set aside for me for college. So I took this money that I made plus some of this other college money, and I started investing in the market. I had a friend that was 2 years older than me. He was in finance, and it just so happens that the crash was starting to happen. Me and him made money in the crash on the way down and then on the way back up. Then I had a chunk. Holy shit. Dude, what the fuck just happened? Hold on, I'll finish my story in 2 seconds. So then me and my friend made money on the crash and then on the way back, and we were basically playing stocks. I wasn't playing futures or anything. And then And then I was just playing stocks where you're just kind of buying and holding. I was flipping some. Um, I did a couple other things on the side online and made money that way, and then made money with stocks. And then that was pretty much it. That's how I got into it. I've always enjoyed the market though, more of the stock side of it. Dude, this is why I need my so I'm not home, as you guys know. I'm not in my office. This is why I need another monitor. Like, I completely whiffed on that. I didn't see this at all just happen. That's crazy that I just missed that, by the way. And then I traded stocks until about 2011, and then that you're just gonna have to grow the account a little bit more, Matt. And then 2011, 2012, I stopped trading altogether to start a business, and then I got back into it in 2017.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
You're gonna have to grow it most likely to 54,100. But the good news is, Matt, if you get it to there, you'll take a payout, right? And then you grow it another 2,000, you take a payout. Yo, gold's about to shit itself. Gold looks like it's about to shit itself.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just fucking dump it. Yo, what up, Fiber? Bro, this is gonna be a fucking absolute shitstorm right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fucking dump it, man.
Order filled.
What's the news? What's the news? There's gotta be fucking some news. There's no news? How is that possible? How is there no news? Yo, what up, Flip? Just waiting on my ferry. My trailer tire caught a nail, so I had to head over to Allen and go get a new tire. Jeez. But yeah, you're good, Matt. You probably just have to grow it. Is that really where VWAP is? Can never tell with freaking Tradeify. Dude, I wanted to short this so bad the whole freaking time. Yo, if I started a swear jar, I'm gonna get hosed by gold right here. Yeah. Knew
Order
that.
filled.
Saw that fucking coming.
Order filled.
Dude, I just took a big freaking shot. It's so crazy because I won't take big shots, and when I do, they just never work out. I'm just better just getting my freaking gains. Just stick to my gains.
Order filled. Order filled.
Every time I go for a freaking big win, it just never happens. Just consistent base hits are where it's at. This thing's just dumped out. BTC is about to take it low. Dude, I thought it was ripping. You guys were saying it was breaking out earlier. What happened? What happened to BTC, guys? It was just going to made it sound like it was going to all-time highs. I worked at a gas station where I was at. Dude, that's rough. HTN. Your BBC is ripping. Holy fuck. Dude. This is going to go all the way down to 861. That was literally. Oh my God. That's freaking wild. Yo, I wonder if Marie. Oh, look at this shit. Gold got me out and then dumped freaking $6. Oh my God. Can't wait to get home. What up, iTrades? I can't wait to get home and just trade my own fucking office. Dude, I talked about that short. I want to say the majority of the stream when we were up here on how I liked it, how I liked it, how I liked it. Didn't take it. I took a little bit of it, but nowhere near. I literally told myself, I back tested this whole shit. And I was literally telling myself that, like, hey, when we break this, I'm going to go short. Nah, man, you're more than welcome to talk, man. You, HTN, you're more than welcome to freaking dump it on here, man. Listen, there's probably someone else going through the same thing that just doesn't want to type. You know what I'm saying? You're probably helping somebody out just by airing it out. You know? More than welcome to ask questions and stuff. I mean, man, I feel like I just completely whiffed on this. I completely whiffed because I talked about it and I knew about it and I just did not do it. Dude, I'll be kicking myself about this one freaking till tomorrow. It was right there. Hey man, I'll be honest with you. If you use NinjaTrader HTN, you can get free accounts to just test your strategy to make sure that it works. You know what I'm saying? Like you can create these accounts in NinjaTrader and trade them as if they're real to just see how you do. How often do I take payouts just trading base hits? I don't know, normally every week. I think last week I took two or three. I think I took my funded futures. Last week I think I took two my funded future payouts. Um oh, I locked in a bull nuts payout also last week. I locked it in on Friday. I'm gonna request it tonight, $1,000. No, actually I think it's $1,200. Um yeah, every week I request. I've had these accounts that you're looking at all year. I'm not turning and burning. Like what you don't realize is some of these guys you watch are just flipping accounts. I'm not doing that. My accounts are here. Man, making it is fucking hard, man. Um yeah, I mean I've been doing this for a while. I'm probably older than you think I am. I'm 42. So I've been doing this for a while and honestly prop firms did as much. Am I live? I was live at Fidias. Uh, Instead of paying me my fucking $6,000 to $8,000, they sent me live. Apex doesn't send anybody live. Yeah, no, I'm 42, Jay. Um, Dude, I've been doing this for a while, and I trade my own money. I trade stock and options also. So if you ever have questions, what I liked, or just shoot the shit about that. That diet, dude, I go to the gym every day, man. Sauna, gym. I eat fairly well. My coffee's black. There's nothing in it. I'm riding the healthy train, man. Have I tried? What's TOF? I copy traded all my Apex PA account, put $91 in each. That's enough till tomorrow, dude. That's fucking awesome, Tommy. Yeah, HTN. I'll be honest with you. When I got into prop firms, man, dude, this shit didn't come like easy. Like I was very successful as an options trader. And then when I went into prop firms, man, I got my dick kicked in. I'm not even gonna lie. I got my dick kicked in. I was doing stuff I was not supposed to be. What scanner do I use? I use Black Box. I see you are here all day. Is there a way to survive without spending the whole day? I mean, I think the reason you're getting no result is probably you're taking the wrong trades, but you do not. Bulenox does the same thing. They send you live account as soon as you're about to make a nice size payout. Yeah, my issue, Jack, was I had 5 accounts, so it wasn't like one account with a large payout. It was 5.
Order filled.
On Bulenox, I take my 1K when I get it. Yeah, I do too. I'm not a fan of building big payouts, man. I take what I can get and run. I literally just went to take this money off the table. Dude, I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't own more than one account HTN at a time. I wouldn't trade more than one account at a time, and I'd focus. Is this gonna fucking pay out or what? This is a scout that I'm turning into a community member in. Like, I just want to get out of this piece of shit at this point. Nope.
Order filled.
I literally was just trying to scalp it down to like 9-10. I don't know. I've never been live. I don't really trade a ton with Bulenox. I have one funded account with Bulenox. I'm on my second payout. So I have one funded account. I took a payout. I got back over the buffer. I'm going to submit another payout. So I'm not really ringing up any massive bill with Bullnuts. I'm just literally just trading every day, making my money. And I only trade gold with it. So a lot of you guys, I'm a big gold trader more than I'll trade both. But the reality of the situation is, I've just been doing better with gold, but except for today, obviously, of all days. But I still got plenty of drawdown. I mean, I'm not worried about this at all. And these are just evals. The only gold accounts that I have right now are my funded futures and bull nuts. These were gold, and then they turned into no gold. And then I have another set of accounts. These were gold and then no gold. Gold and then no gold. Here you go. So two of these are funded. The ones with the M's are funded. So this is a funded and this is a funded. These were all gold accounts, and now they're not. These are blown. I don't know why they sit in the account. You can see. They've been blown for a while. I don't really know what's going on. But I'm done for the day in these 205. Two of them are evals. I could probably trade the evals still. But I can't trade gold with them, so I'm just kind of building them up. I need 10 days of $200, I think. Something like that. I don't know. I'm just building it up slowly. These are evals. I took a hit because these are double whatever these are. I just got to build it back. I'm going to probably build it all back tonight. Gold during Asia. But I'll show you when I'm down. I'll show you when I'm up. Who's getting June? Yeah, that Apex shit put a dent. Yeah, I mean, listen, I was crushing gold. I was crushing it. And then that happened. So now I got to go and build up all these other accounts. But I don't really want to build up all these other accounts because it's fucking expensive, you know? I'm not in the mood to build up and buy. You know, I just want to trade what I got. And then on top of that, I broke the rule, so I can't even get these payouts. Otherwise, I would literally have, this would be $1,300, $1,100, $1,100. You know, like, these are all payout accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these 9 accounts are over for a payout. This one is $25 away from a payout. Like, I would be getting all those payouts if it wasn't for that 30% rule. What up, Sovereignty? Captain Crunch is back. Doomed. Bro, doomed. You've been waiting 3.5 weeks for a live account? Timu 1 Futures? I don't know what they're running. I have a lot of accounts and I just want to get them all paid. I'd like to just turn this account around. Just trying to get paid here. Yo, what up, Kevin? Man, this was the fuck up of fuck ups. What up, Mick? Wow, I can't believe this bullshit. I actually like gold if it comes down here. Let's see what gold needs to do. Gold! Oh, look at that shit. Just had a hold. Just had a hold. How easy was that? Did those fib levels end up working? Yeah, crushed it today, Kevin. You would have been in, you would have gotten 100 and something points. Yeah, you'd be up like 130 points right now. I decided to not play it like an idiot. Just like an idiot, man. Idiot. So stupid. Yeah. It's going to come down to like 860. It's going to come right down in this zone. Anybody like a long play here? I want to see it come down right to this blue line. This blue line, I'm taking it. I'm taking it with my money and grandma's money right here. I'm calling grandma and all her bingo friends to go in. That's the word on the street. Yo, how much smoother is my stream that I don't have the background anymore? Do you guys realize that? The connection's so much better. There's no buffering. Yo, BK is not making my stream buffer anymore. Dude, it was buffering for a little bit, and what I realized, here, I'll show you guys real fast. If I turn this on, every time I turn my background on, see, now you get to see what's really behind me. Anytime I use a virtual background, the CPU usage goes way up. So that's why I'm leaving it off. Yo, you've been getting it long? But yeah, I gotta wash this couch behind me after the stream, so you know, it's a little crusty. Dude, it just increases the freaking bandwidth. I get whatever the CPU usage is. All of a sudden, I leave it on for a while, and you can hear my fan start up. If I leave it off, the fan never comes on. What is it? The graphics card is just working super hard. Something goes on. But I also think YouTube sees it as the thing is buffering and it doesn't freaking show it. Like, I don't know if you guys got if you didn't get notified I was live today, you got to hit that little yellow button, that little bell button below. Otherwise, it's not going to notify you. but I also think it's due to the stream rate. So I'm telling you, we're going down here. This is where I'm going long. See, I got two kids, man. If you were on the stream earlier, you could have heard them yelling at each other. You said this. No, you said this. I didn't say that. You said this. Back and forth, just yelling at each other for 5 minutes. It's back. Dude, it's dad life, man. I coach all the sports, Jay. I do all the sports. I'm at everything. So I'm in the dad life shit, man. I am freaking I'm deep in it. Coaching and this and that and play dates and everything else. Birthday parties. I'm at them all, man. I go and do all types of shit. People ask me what I do all weekend. Like, yo, man, you free to hang out? I'm like, bro, did you say free to hang out? Fucking free to hang out, dude. I got no time to fucking hang out, man. The only friends I see are ones with kids, so my kids can play with their kids. Fucking free time. Freaking busy, man. Dude, helpful, man. I don't even plan shit because I just know I got shit on the calendar. I don't even plan it. I'm not even like, oh man, yeah, sure, I'm in for that. I just know not to plan it. Dude, it's crazy.
Order filled.
Coaching sports is freaking time consuming, man. Dude, it doesn't stop.
Order filled.
I'm at them all, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, I want to see this bounce right here. Yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. My dad did all this shit too, so I enjoy it though. Like I'll be honest with you, man. I meet a lot of cool dads. I have a lot of like, like play dates like that where like the dads all hang out and shit and the kids hang out. Like we get a good
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I got a good group of dads I hang out with. Yeah, one is nice because yeah, you can do that where you can take a break. I got no break, brother. I'm no break. Come on, push out of this shit. You're not gonna push out. Are you shitting me? Oh my god, they almost just took me out. Come on, no. They were like, "Oh, I got to come back for his order." Yeah, that's exactly what just happened. They're like, "Oh, got to come back for his order." They got me, and now they're gonna push it. Dude, you got 6 kids, bro. 6 is wild, man. 6 is wild, wild. Dude, there's a Tory tan line. Yo. You almost have a fair value gap inversion right here.
Order filled.
Isn't fucking working.
Order filled.
Bro, I need to get to this fucking account.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I couldn't get out. I couldn't get fucking out in time. Bro, I was just up $300 in this account. This is the look of a man that was up $300 and couldn't exit.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's the longest apex for you? Man, it's a while. They loved me long time. Bro, super long time. I don't know. It took like a week to get approved, and then the payout comes 5 business days after, 7 business days. Yo, Captain Crunch.
Order filled.
So, holla at your boy. Yo, if you took this, let me know if you took this. Smash the confetti and let me know if you took this. This is a pretty good one. So, in theory, I'm not holding it, but I'm just telling you, in theory, my target would essentially be minimum 941. 941 would be a minimum target here. Overall, you could come back up. I'm probably going to get stopped out before. What up, Teds? So what I did was, even when we were coming down, I told you I wanted this bounce point, right? We were like up here and I was basically calling out this. I knew that I wanted to see us touch this and bounce. And then we got a fair value gap inversion right here. And then on top of that, we retraced over the 23 line. And that's when I just fucking pounded on it. There were so many things. I think this continues up. I might take a like watch this. I'll just
Order filled.
For the stream. Hey Cove, past TPT Combine Trade Silver Pro account day 1 hit 10K. Boom, and got an email that I was advanced to Pro Plus. Dude, that's awesome. Then they shut down Pro Plus accounts. Just started pulling money out. Wait. Are you now have a Pro Plus account though, right? I saw they reopened it. Dude, you took a call option on that, Trevor? That's awesome. That probably printed. Hey, Pamela's back. What's up, Pamela? What's up? Yeah, they reopened Pro Plus. So I'm just in this just to see what happens, honestly. The real trade, I'm obviously out, but um, so actually your stop loss would technically be 61. I do not want to see it go below 900. There you go. Nice profitable day. I'm gonna go back to this account. I just made back $400 in this account. It's hanging. It's hanging by a thread. You know what's nice about Take Profit Trader is even when you go Pro Plus, you still have 5 accounts. Oh, I'm still in. Cool. I think my stop's like 95. I'm gonna get stopped out here probably. Come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on. I don't think gold's gonna hit me out. I'm gonna make all that gold money back tonight. Actually, I made a mistake last night. I was down $900 in an account because I bought 4 minis instead of 4 micros. I made all that back real quick too. Oh, what up, Sovereign? What's cracking? Dude, what is today? Today's Wednesday? Been there, done that on it. Yeah, I know. That's how I just got hosed on it. Just trying to make back some losses on some accounts I'm down, building accounts that are up. I'm just I fucked up because I love the short, and I was talking about the short so much earlier today, and I just didn't play to my strategy. The strategy like played out perfectly, and I just fucking didn't do it. Even this, technically, a strategy. So Marie actually came up with this shit, and actually I back tested it. It's just so good. See, like if you stop out down here, I know it's large. Somebody's be like, "That's 40 points." I know it's 40 points, but um, in theory, see, you're gonna run out of time though. It's like this one didn't even trigger in. You know, you get over 924, this thing's gonna fucking rock. If they run this back to 25K for a close, that'd be great. I mean, I'm looking over 925. I am definitely in. I don't want to see a new low. Don't want to see a new low. Do not give me a new low. Do not give me a new low. Yeah, PG. I see it. I just need a confirmation for the upside. Confirmation is over 925, and then I just freaking donk on it and just let it ride. Bro, I can't wait to get back to my house. I'm sitting at this freaking. Yo, my wife asked if I wanted food 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago, she asked if I wanted food. Where the fuck's my food at? I'm so hungry. So hungry. So technically, it can go for what I'm looking for. Now that we've touched the pocket, it could go as low as down here, and then when it comes back through, I'm gonna take it. You only take 1 micro per trade, and you no. I was just in 15 micros. Dude, I just said something. I think they're here. Yo, full port. Dude, I don't know where she is. I'm gonna just here. I'll look on the. I'm gonna look on Find My iPhone. Big yo, where the? I think that's them here. Yeah. So if you look, yo, what up, insiders? So if you look, I'll just show you on here. This is the full move today, right? When we come back under here, this red line, I was looking for shorts. I was actually even playing. I was playing here at one point, but yeah, you can see as soon as you break this, it just breaks the fuck down. Like there's no drawdown. You would have taken like 3 points of drawdown, and you would have just had this dump, and then your target is literally hit the target. 42. I mean, what is that? 150 points. I have an account just for that one play, and I just fucking didn't do it because I'm an idiot. Starting tomorrow, I'm just gonna take it no matter what. I don't care what it looks like, what I feel like, what the bias is. I'm just gonna follow it. Who gives a shit? We're back here at the top of the. This would be a great double bottom, by the way. Double bottom, and we break over 20. Dude, that would, and then probably rip it back up to 25,000 for a close. Woo! That will get me going. That will get me going. Not financial advice, but multiple points of confluence at 8:30. What's at the 8:30, Captain? Yo, insiders, how's your day going? Do we just double bottom right here? Trend line from previous lows. Woo! I like it. I like to hear what you guys are thinking. Hold on 1 second, guys. Bro, I've been waiting all fucking day for this. Bro. Looks like some beat up roast beef. I don't know. I don't know what I ordered. I had a pretty good day. My day was pretty good. I got one account that I need to take back. It's this account. Down $590. Oh, and my gold. But my gold accounts aren't funded. So I'll be honest with you, I don't want to say I don't care, but like evals are just like they're either passed or not. Like it doesn't really matter because that evals are just evals. I really only keep track of my funded accounts, and I don't really blow evals, so I don't know. It's not like a big thing to me if I'm down in evals. This is bad. Look at this shit. Dude, they just gave the whole thing up. I had this at the freaking top, insiders, by the way. It was me and Marie. We were talking about it. Oh, by the way, I don't think you guys saw it. Check this out. She's not on, but I'll bring it on here. For you guys that didn't see, I'll bring it on. Yo, this is a new thumbnail when it's just me and Marie on. That's the new one. Dude, I thought that came out so good. I have half of the 3,000 PT on Topstep. I locked myself out till London session. Dude, where are you from? Yo, HTN, where are you from that you trade London? Yo, I'll be honest with you, man. You're probably going to make it because you're all in. Just being honest with you. It's when you're half in that you don't make it. Oh, fuck it. I don't even know what I just drank. The biggest thing is probably not your strategy. It's probably just staying on course, waiting for your setups. I'm going to tell you why. You ready, HTN? I'm going to show you why. This isn't even my setup. This wasn't even my setup. I took a big fucking loss. This wasn't even my setup, and I took a loss. My setup is buying in the fib retracement zones. If I just waited today and just played, this was one right here. I was doing something. I wasn't even in front of the computer. But it's sticking to your strategy. And even I have problems doing that sometimes, where I'll just be like, fuck it. I do it in evals. In an eval, I'm going to be like, fuck it. I'm just going to do this. And that's why I do this shit. And I'm like, and then I regret it afterwards. I'm like, now I have to sit here tonight. And I got to trade my strategy. And I got to make all this money back. Right? Not what I want to be doing. I should be up trading, not, What up, Spoil? I always regret it. Every time I don't follow my shit, I always regret it. So just follow your shit. That's it. Whatever it is. Yeah, instead you probably FOMO'd and chase some shit, right? Been there, man. Been there today. At least I'm honest with you. Hey, man, I know I fucked up. Just don't do it on fun. I try not to do it on funded accounts. I'll do it on evals. And I'm like, and I regret it even on evals. Oh, man. Exactly, man. Dude, this is actually pretty good. It's avocado, grilled chicken, some type of cheese. I don't know what this is. This is some matcha drink, probably. Oh, man. But yeah, dude. Listen, stick to your strategy and you'll be fine. All you need is one payout. You get one payout, HTN, you could either scale up or you could, keep all the money. Like, it creates flexibility. Creates a lot of flexibility. Man, it's just so good. Dude, this is just sitting here on the top of the orb. Oh, man. Yo, it's Super Dave. Oh, that's pretty good. I think they're going to bring this up. They've had multiple opportunities to sell this off, and they have not. I'm going to take a quick. My stop is going to be 60, by the way.
Order filled.
I just want to see it hold this fair value gap. But I'll tell you what, we get over 22. I mean, I might add. I might add. Come on. Come on, baby. Gold selling off. Yo, hold on 1 second. Bye, Ro. Bye, Roshi. That was great. I had a lot of fun. It was good. I'm sure we'll see you soon. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Come on. Get out of this freaking zone for us. Do it. Just do it. What up, Dreamer? Yo, who else we got in here? Yo, Sod Dragon's in here. Learn. What up, Sod? Come on. Oh, so good. I am getting worried about this. There's not enough push. Yo, Eric. What's up, man? Wait. You took 30 trades with no losses? What was the strategy, though? What were you doing? I need to know what the strategy was. Like, what made you take those trades? I'm hanging tough, baby. Yo, is Eric in here or he just comes and puts the code in and leaves? What's up, Eric? The rule is you gotta say something before you put the code in. If you don't say something before you put the code in, even a high, you're not added. Just an FYI. Lets me know you're not a bot. Just a simple what's up, man? Yo, I'm doing good today. Hey. I just want to know. Just curious. I see the names and no one says hi. What's up, Midas? Yo! Crawdad's Fish Market. Boom! Yo, Crawdad, can we order from your fish market online? Just wondering. Do you have a fish market online that we could order from? Like, is it yours? If it's yours, let me know. I can't trade by myself, Pamela. It sucks by myself. If you have your own fish market let me know, and I'll post the link on the stream so anybody that wants fish can get it from your market. Anyone else that has like a business or something, I have no problem throwing it out there. I try to, put it out there. It's for the ones that get it done. Bro, this was like a sweet avocado. I don't even know what this is. And just so you just throwing it out there, I'm sorry I have to eat on the stream. I usually don't eat on the stream. But the fact is I'm fucking so hungry and I didn't eat all day. Ah, okay, man. Hey, listen, I was just like, I throw it out. Like Fiber Splice has a pretty cool YouTube channel that he cuts wires on. I have no problem throwing it out there if you have a business or something like that. Be like, yo, Marie sells beads. I do a duck race every day, Pamela. Actually, yes, but the championship race changes because we have different themes. Like yesterday, we did Camel Toe Tuesday, and we did the camel races. Today is, I think today is Wet and Wild Wednesday, and we do mermaid races. Should I move my stop up? This is what I'm going to do. Just kind of talking through the running narrative on FBG back to unmitigated opposing FGG. Holy shit. So you're playing fair value gaps back to the other fair value. Marie was playing the first time you make a fair value gap in that direction, you basically play that direction until it turns by inverting one the other way. Dude, this account was just down $1,000. I'll make it back. If we get over 23, I'm adding, by the way. 23 or 25, I think it is. So we've actually clicked in on this one. I want to click in on the big one. What was that, 20? Pamela, good news for you. It opens multiple times during the stream. So if you're on the stream, you get multiple entries. But for you, I will open it up real quick. You ready? You ready, Pamela? 1, 2, 3. It's open for you. Just put an exclamation point, Cove Trader. I mean, that's a good place to Yo, I'm moving my stop up, by the way. Coral Sky. Boom. Pamela's in. Pamela, you're in. Yo, thanks, Captain. Oh, I just took the wrong one. So close over. Dude, I just took the wrong fucking. I did that.
Order filled.
I'm going to take this in this account. So technically the setup is I need a 1 minute close over 20. We just didn't get it, by the way. I will say it out loud, PG. I'm going to open up in 5 minutes for everybody one last time. I'll let you know when it's open. You will not be forgotten. I'm still in this. I'm trying to get a close over 22. I'm in. No duck left behind. Listen, I want everybody to have fun. Listen, I'm giving away an account anyways. Let's everybody have some fun. You know? Come on. Close over 22. My bad. The last couple nights I've been away, so I haven't been on Discord at night that much. I'm hopeful. I got to drive home tonight. It's just take me an hour and a half to drive home, hour and 45 minutes. What's over the 22? Well, first of all, this is a super sloppy W. I'll show you in 2 seconds. I'm watching.
Order filled.
Surely buy it. So basically, from this whole move, Marie tested this out. It's actually kind of pretty good. When you get a nice move, when you start bouncing past the 23, obviously other things got to line up. Watch. My target is, because we don't have much time, it's probably like 90. Your stop's got to be low though. So in theory, my stop's all the way down here. So if you're not into a big loss, don't do it. But technically, I would be looking to trade all the way back up to this GP. Right? I don't know what I put it all out there, HTN. I have nothing like, hey, I'm only telling you half of it because I charge for the other half. Like, it's all just out there. So I'm playing this back up to the upside. On the smaller time frame, I clicked in because of this. See, like right here, look, if I did it down here, we didn't break it. We actually hit it and rejected it perfectly. So then I go to the next low, and then I got in at 95, right? We got in, we broke it, we retested it, and went up. Now I'm taking the higher time frame one, which should net out a bigger move. I should probably hold to 25,000. The issue I have though is we close in 20 minutes. look, I just made back almost $800 of this money. That's why I don't get worried about losses. Like this account was down like $1,000, and now you know. So I like when people see red, I'm like, man, I made that right back. I literally made $800 back in 40 minutes. Time is definitely a factor here, Pamela. That's why, honestly, if you've never taken this trade before, I would not take it because we're going to run out of time. Yo, later, Captain. I'm glad you came by, man. What up, Bull? Time is definitely going to be a factor here. It could. I'm not going to continue the trade, though. You know, the trade for me is done, and I'll wait for another one. Yo, PG, I just opened it. So if you're not looking, put the code in. For you, I opened it. I might take this off right here, lock in my $200 trade.
Order filled.
I'm just going to leave this one running. We'll see what happens. Yo, what up, Bull? It's probably a good idea not to trade with 45 minutes left. Especially if you have a strategy that's kind of like a hold. $45 left of the market. She likes to not trade just due to time. Like honestly, for this to work out, I mean, this could take this. Like I like the short when we were up here. I wanted the short. I mean, it took a long time for this. It took hours for it to work out. You know, hours. Look, you can see to the top. Like I liked it, and then when it broke, it actually broke. But come on, market. Man, in theory, I should probably go to break even, right? Only because I got 17 minutes left of the market. I normally would not go to break even right now, but there's 17 minutes left. I'm going to break even. If I'm still in this a minute before MOC, I will move my stop up. Man. See, I'm only down $300. I kind of want to take it. Are we close? No, we close at 4 p.m. You could trade till 5, but the market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern time. What up, DB? Come on. I think at the minimum you're going to see 75. If we hit the 200, I think you might get a push. I think I'm going to just move my stop up. Just so I'm locking in gains. You got MOC in 6 minutes. I just don't want to lose fucking gains knowing that the market's done in a little bit. Still a solid, like it wasn't much. I know, $75. Well, HN, wait, I don't know why I just noticed, but do you have a stochastic on your screen? I do. I do. I use this to stay out of stupid trades. I scalp mostly also Pamela. So I know, oh man, they whipped me out at the fucking bottom. Are you kidding? What pieces of shit? But yeah, it's just letting me know that we're running hot right now. Like you can't jump in now. You know, I use stochastics if we're like in a flag and stochastics are going down, but the price is not going down. That means we're probably going to end up going up. It's just like a secondary indicator to let me know if the move needs to. Thanks, David. The love bug. The love bug. Appreciate it. It just kind of lets me know where we're sitting at. Like I know we're running hot. Can it keep pushing? Yes. Should I get in long here? Absolutely fucking not. See, it's going to hit right into this. This is the move that just was made. It's going to hit right into it. 75. That's crazy. Look, boom. I mean, that was a great move. I don't know if anyone took it. Full TP. Oh, is it not going to hit 75? There, you just hit 75. The next one is 25,047. Yo, Kyle. I got out early. I didn't want to ride an MOC. Yeah, I'm with you. Look at that move, though. I should have held, but man, the market closing early. Not early, but the market closing, I just didn't want to risk it. But look at that. I could have got. They actually wicked me out at the fucking bottom, but that's $30 more. You know what's better though? It's like cool. Like I didn't get it all, but it's just proving to me that the system works. As you can see, you know, the system works. That's all I care about. I just know that, hey, whatever, I didn't hold because we're getting, the market closes in 12 minutes, but I know that it works, and that's all I care about. That's worth more than anything because tomorrow when I hold, I know that the system works. That's all I care about. Yo, you got market on close in 45 seconds, guys. Dude, look at that fucking hit. Literally right to 75. Right? Oh, well, my line was 74. "20 seconds. Watch out, whatever you're in. Whatever you're in, watch it." Yo, what up, Carl? Dude, that was the worst MOC ever. Yo, what do you think about them just closing it at 25,000? They just pin it at 25,000 here at the end of the day. Another 40 points up. Anyone feel like that's going to happen? Yo, Pamela, there was a time in April. I need to hold the microphone. Do you know how long Apex sales till Tuesday? There was a time in April that all we did was buy MOC. Well, not I've traded during the day, but at the end of the day, I would put a buy right above price and a sell right below. So it'd be like a buy and a sell, and then a sell and a buy. And whatever way it went, we played this all in April. I might have made like $15,000 of prop firm payouts only trading that. It was during the tariff, so every day was this massive candle at the end, and that's all we did. I crushed Take Profit Trader for 13 straight days doing it, and Tradeify. Bro, it was crazy. Yo, Sean's here. Yo, Sean, I don't know you saw it. I gotta show you something. Yo, Sean, since you weren't around today, it's me and Marie. Top and bottom a perfect time to. Yeah, yo, HTN. Put it in the Discord. I'll definitely take a look. Cove, what are the next tradable earnings? Nvidia is next week, I think. Yeah, Nvidia is next week. That's gonna move the freaking market, Simone, one way or. Yo, your fan club really wasn't here though. I had to like pull teeth to get any of your fan club to say anything. All right, I'm gonna take a shot.
Order
Don't do this,
filled.
guys. Do not do this. I think we're gonna close at 25,000. What the absolute fuck was that?
Order filled.
Well, there I am. I locked in $75, and whatever happens here. What did I make? I think I made a hundy real fast. Bro, he wasn't around, man. He wasn't around. I was looking for him. I think he likes you. Sean, I think he's got a crush on you. Yo, what's up, Pine? Trump speaking? I got fucking financial juice up. Let me look at this juice. The juice is loose. Trump's at a reception at 3 p.m. and then he participates in signing time at 4. You also have U.S. overall net capital flows. I guess they're going to tell you what that is. You got eBay earnings at 4:05. You got a Trump policy meeting at 4:30. You got Trump and Xi Jinping playing pickleball at 5 o'clock. You got Trump and Putin giving their secret handshake at 5:30. And then we go into the night. Yo, there we go. Look, I freaking knew that. Holy shit. What is it, Discord? Man, I'll invite you in. Everybody can come in. It's the place to hang out when we're not on here. I hang out. I post trades. All types of stuff. There you go. So you got to see it. Can't not see it. Is that how I play the drift? The same as MOC? The drift is only to the downside. Chris, I'm not going to play it today. There you go, Sean. So basically it's like a chat room. You could post GIFs. You could do whatever you want. There's no I don't know. There's no rules. There's no rules. Just don't be a dick. Don't spam. Don't be a dick. Don't try to impersonate me either. But I trade gold in there at night with some NQ. So if you trade at night, that's the place to be. Oh, my fucking shoulder's killing me from this freaking makeshift desk I'm on. Oh, because of volume pulling out. Yes. It almost happens every day. What I think happens is the buy volume shuts off and then you still have the sell volume coming through and it creates a down candle 74% of the time. NQ has been moving around enough at night. Mostly 8 o'clock and on. Like 8:30 it starts. Dude, we caught the fucking bottom on this thing. Man, don't be a dick. That's it. It's so easy. Just don't be a dick. Hang out, shoot the shit, crush it, and don't be a dick. I can't believe I fucked up my gold, not even trading my strategy. So stupid. That was probably one of the stupidest things I did today. Never pull out. Never pull out. I guess financial juice. Oh, man. I can't wait. I got another monitor at home. Yo, BK. Dude, you guys messed up. You got less than 2 minutes. So I'm not going to play it, but you guys that are wondering what the drift is, watch. We're going to close. And between 30 seconds and close, they're just going to drop it. Especially if we run into close, which that's the one I really love, is the run into close. Woo-wee. Get a nice run. I don't want to sell into close. I want to buy in the close. Come on, market. Gold is basically pinned at 5,000. So tonight's going to be interesting which way we go. See, like I wouldn't play this, but watch it just dump. Got 30 seconds, people. 30 seconds. Oh, I got to trade my funded future accounts. I got to trade some accounts tonight. Thanks, I found it. Sorry for the... Yo, ask as many questions as you want, HTN. Yo, man, I'm glad you found it. Dude, I'm glad you found it. See, that's kind of what I was talking about. See how it just unloads at the end of the day? This happens all the time. Look at that. And it'll come all the way back up, probably. It's probably going to come all the way back up and backfill the whole move. Yeah. Yeah. I don't. It's got to be a. It's got to be a computerized thing, Simone. But it's. I'm surprised more people don't even talk about it. But yeah, it's just. It just works a lot of the time. Oh man, it was like 15 points. 15 points. Oh man, I can't wait to freaking get home. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get to an. Dude, my back is killing me on this freaking. I'm on a kitchen chair, bro. This thing is brutal. Oh, brutal. Um, man, I'm just looking. I'm just thinking. I'm just contemplating my day. Literally, we had the top and we had the bottom. The top, I did not hold. The bottom, we made some money off the bottom. Not as much as I wanted to. Should have made a lot more. I should have made a lot more. I'll be honest with you. I'm missing computer monitors because I'm here, but the entry was solid. Could have easily made 50 points in a bunch of accounts on this. This was the big one. I'll be back tomorrow at it, though. It is what it is. You're never going to catch them all. Never going to catch them all. Why almost no streamers trade Apex 30K? 300K? Oh, you want to know why? How much money do you have to make on the 300K? Vlad. You got to make, what is it, $20,000? And your drawdown is 7,500, right? Yeah, and your drawdown is 7,500. So I got to make 20,000. Now, if you take a 50K, I think the drawdown is 2,500, and you got to make $3,000. And I'll be honest with you, once you're funded, what does it really matter? Once you're funded, I think you got to make 7,500 to get a payout, and your drawdown is 7,500. It's just, it will help you out in rule violations, obviously because of the drawdown. But other than that, I'm not interested in making $20,000 with a $7,500 drawdown. Yeah, I'm just not. I'd rather make, when we have news releases and shit, I'll try to pass a 150. So at least I have a drawdown of like, what is it, 45, 5,000, something like that. But other than that, I just stick to the 50s. They're easier to pass, easier to get a payout. I would rather have something that's easier for me to get a payout than that. But yo, I'm out on that. Fuck, I mean, dude, you got to make $20,000 fucking dollars. Your drawdown is like a third of what you need. Like in the same aspect, that's like trying to get $3,000 of profit, and they're only giving you a $1,000 drawdown. Yeah, because you got on the right side of the trade on silver, and silver fucking took off. Like that's. I'm not gonna say it's lucky, but obviously the scenario helps you out greatly. I've done the 300Ks, and you know what? I end up failing them, and my accounts are up, $7,000. And I'm like, I'm literally up $7,000. Peeps like the novelty. Oh no, you know what's better, Candlestick? Bro, I'm gonna I'm gonna buy 10 of those, and then I'm going to get a mortgage. And when they ask for proof of funds, I'm going to show them 10 300K Apex evals. I'm like, look how much money I got. Yo, this is how much money I got. Look, I got fucking 10 300K evals. Yo, I wonder if someone's ever done that before. Yo, that'd be freaking crazy. Only Rips does that. I mean, listen, I'll do one on like new. If you guys want, like, I'll try to pass one. Mortgage company wants proof of payout. I'll be like, yo, it's all in the account, man. I should, dude, doesn't Rips have a new set of 20K Apex accounts every 3 days? It's like, yo, here's my 50Ks. I made a lot of money. Then you don't hear about it. And then 3 days later, he's like, yo, I'm at my 150s now. And then he says, oh, I made 30,000 today. Still gets no Apex payout. And then 3 days later, it's like, yo, look at my 250K accounts. I can't keep up on what set we're on now. Yo, like I said earlier, if somebody's not showing you all their fucking account numbers on the same day, I'm not saying tomorrow, the same day, like boom, 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 showing you it all, they're fucking lying to you. Just remember that. So everybody, you would want to see the whole story, which is all the account numbers on different accounts. Otherwise, all they're showing you is a highlight reel. They're only showing you a highlight reel. That's what it is. If they're not showing you all the accounts every day, they're showing you a highlight reel of what they want you to see. Like, that's like me only showing you these, and then I get rid of this. I don't even need this anyways. And now we just trade all day like this, and I trade my other accounts on my other shit. You know, what, you think they're showing you the account that's up? They're showing you what's up by design because it's the only ones that are up. Look, I don't even have this up, but I'll put it up anyways. Here's my Legends accounts. This is funded and that's funded. But, you know, if you're not seeing all their accounts, you're seeing a highlight reel of what they want you to see. They're really blowing accounts on the back end, and they just don't want you to know that they blow accounts. Bro, people blow accounts. Some just show screenshots. Bro, some do. You know what's funny is some do, and people fucking believe it. It's crazy. It's a crazy world. Yo, I blew an account on my wife's back end last night. Bro. That's awesome. Fucking awesome. Oh, man, dude. But yeah, I don't show you the highlight reel. Listen, some days you got red accounts. I focus more on funded accounts. That's what I care about the most. So when I look at my accounts for the day, I mostly look at my fundeds, and I'm like, oh, these two are down. These are all up. My 2 Legends accounts are up. My Bulenox account, I'm going to request a payout tonight on. That's what I care about, is my fundeds for the most part. The rest of it, listen, I want my evals to be up, but evals are either passed or they're not to me. There's no in between. Like, if you have a great day and an eval to me, I'm like, cool, that's great, but it means nothing until it's funded. Bro, I don't even know who that is. But I heard he sucks dudes' toes, so I'm not going over there. I don't know. I'm just messing around. All right. Let me get this shit going. Yeah. You're gonna fucking... Oh, dude. I just saw that guy's picture, bro. He looks Like he's not allowed within 100 yards from a school or a Chuck E. Cheese. Just saying. That's what he looks like. If anybody wanted to know. All right. Oh man. What was I gonna do? Bro, my back is gonna be like crooked after fucking being in this chair for so long. Oh, there's a lot of fucking. All right. Oh. Yo. Remember the dude in the closet? Who was that, Code? Haha, okay, good to know. Rocket Guy made the balance numbers green and screenshot it and then tweeted, yo, I'm so out on him. He was asked to show his, I saw a tweet that he was talking about how great he was, and another guy asked for him to show his balances of his live account, like actual statements of each week, not including money you added, and he refused to. Just saying. That's what I saw online. Always comes after. I'll be honest, Keith. Might have been better it comes after close. How's that sound? It might be better that it came after close. You just never know, man. Shit can, you never know. Maybe you just weren't meant to trade now, because if you did, it would have went south. So some things are just meant to happen. Quackity quack. Boom. I don't even know who that is. I am here. Quack, quack. Yo, I'm not even going to say anything, but some guy, man, his voice is brutal. Where's my duck? Yo, email me. Have you seen my email yet? Yo, I see the Trump duck hanging out. Ron B moving up. Where's the W guy? I'm in the way of the ducks. My bad. I'm not used to having the background, man. Yeah, Keith. Better off you didn't do anything. Yo, is Lee up in this place? Yo, we didn't do numbers game today either. My duck's on the starting line. That's like when we do that's like when we do penguins. Yo, is Lee here? Yo, if Lee's not here, we're gonna rerun it. Oh, Lee's here. All right, cool. My back is just bumping. Somebody's gonna say they can't see their duck. It's fucking 90-something ducks here. Yo. Oh, yo, Batman duck. Yo, Code's got the Batman duck out. I see this. Jay Styles got the Spider-Man duck. I haven't seen Rudolph win yet. I don't know if Rudolph ever wins. The witch duck. Yo, grandma. Yo, let grandma duck win. Who do we got? Granny. Granny! Yo, Kevin. Kevin's got it. Boom. Oh, dude. Dude, you got it, though. That's freaking awesome. Who do we got? Trying to get all this stuff going. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, we're going to mix it up right now. Boom. Boom. Get some tunes in this place. Wet and Wild Wednesdays. We've been switched to boats. You ready? Whoa. Dude, come on. Dude, this race is dead even. What the fuck is this? Yo, are they not going to go back and forth? Dude, this is different. I think the algorithms on each race are different. Uh-oh. Yo, Kevin's got this. He's about to hit the fucking, like Vin Diesel. He's like, NAS! Yo, you're off the screen. Yo, you gotta go this way. Oh, look at that shit. Oh, man. Yo. Yo. NAS! Family. Oh, this isn't bad. I only lost a couple bucks. Bro. Monica! Dude. Look at this drop here. Look, it hit right into this freaking GP and just freaking got destroyed. Isn't that crazy how that works? Look, I'm just going to show you guys. I just want, for an example, right? You take this whole move. You come all the way down right into this golden pocket, right? We bounce, and then you hit this one, which is from this down, right here. Take the 786. Isn't that crazy? And if you wanted to trigger in south, you would have taken it right under 2542 to the downside. And then if you take this move to trigger back up, you would have gotten in over 896.
And the teachers are cool, but the market ain't
pretty clean fucking day. You never had your boat. But this is how I like to trade, to be honest with you. And I like fair value gaps as like entries. Like I definitely would take the fair value gap. I talked about that here. But like the overall trend change, I mean, it's pretty fucking clean today. If I move this one to the top, like this. I got it right there. Oh, you're talking about like right here? The top? Yeah. The top of the bounce? Yeah. Either way, I probably would have done it somewhere around 25,000, which would make the most sense. Oh, you can't. You know what, Pamela? The music is literally on like a 5 out of 100 on my side. That's why I'm not on my normal system. So the music is so low, I forgot it was actually playing. But I guess it's loud on your end. I didn't know that. My bad. I apologize. So what I was saying was, if you look, that's why I left it on. I barely heard it. So if you took the big move, you have this golden pocket right here, and we could literally go right into it. And then we bounce, right? But the confirmation for the bounce that I like, this is Marie brought this up, is you do this, the leg, and you would have got in right here. And this would have been confirmation to get right into this zone. And then you could always do the big one. The big one would have been this, and you would have got in over 921, and your target would have been up here, but obviously we were running out of time. But what I like to do is sometimes take at least half off at 50 and just move up the rest, especially at the end of the day. Yo, enjoy, BK, but that's how I've been trading the NQ, and I'll look for fair value gap inversions in, like, when we come down into this, I'll look for a fair value gap inversion to take to the upside. So it's kind of just a couple things that I'm looking for. Same thing, you can take one to the downside up top. Any questions before I go from anybody on why I liked whatever I liked today? I would say what I saw was an A+. What I actually did was like a B in the NQ, and what I did on gold was absolutely horrendous today. But I'll make it back. I'm going to request a bull nuts payout in about an hour, and then I'm going to ride home. I'm going to trade gold tonight. What the fuck? You tested 5-second and 1-second setups? I did not make it. This is a basic indicator. It's right here. It's just a fib. It's just a here. These are my settings that I have. And it's just a fib retracement tool. Thanks, Cove. Used the code a bunch of times. I appreciate it, Coach Fred. What were you playing, Nighthawk? Just fib retracements back and forth on the 1 and 5 second? Pamela's like, I don't mess around with small candles. Sorry. I'm just fucking messing around. I play the 5 second at the opening range trade of the day. I take the break most of the time of the first 5 second candle, and I hit that a good amount of times. And I use a 1 to 1.5. It's a 1.5 R trade, and I take that every day. That's interesting, Nighthawk. I was wondering if you were doing this, like, man, fucking, it's a disaster. Like, like playing on the fives. Like, I thought you were playing, and it doesn't even work out, really. I can't play on the 5 second. I play the opening on the 5 second, and that's where it ends. Dude, this was such a good fucking setup today. I'm jumping off. I will see you guys in the Discord tonight, or I'll see you on the stream tomorrow. All right? I am out. My back's killing me. Trying to hide. I traded 15 second all day. I mean, hey, if that works for you, it works for you. Don't change because anyone else says anything. If you have a strategy that works for you, you should definitely keep doing it. Don't follow me. Peace.